Hey, what's up? It's Hugo here, and today I want to talk to you guys about Copy, which is, in my opinion, the best cloud storage service to date in 2013. So I'll tell you guys why in a second, but for you guys that are not familiar with what cloud storage is, you might think, what is it? It's pretty much essentially the same as Dropbox or Google Drive. You're able to store your files, folders, pictures, whatever, online, and you'll be able to access those files you stored online from all your other devices, whether it's a computer or a phone. And as well as it pretty much works as a backup as well. So if your hard drive breaks, all the files you've stored online, they'll still be backed up for you there. So you won't lose any of your important documents or whatever. So that's why it's really, really handy, and it's getting really popular. You're seeing it kind of everywhere, as well as Apple has it with their iCloud service, although that's a little different. But that's essentially the point of cloud storage. Now, let me tell you guys why I think Copy is so good compared to, let's say, Dropbox or Google Drive. Number one, you get tons of space, which I think is pretty cool. You get 15 gigabytes for free by default, and if you get referred by someone or use a referral link, you get another 5 gigabytes on top of that. So essentially, you're pretty much getting 20 gigabytes for free. I'll put my referral link in the description. If you register with that link, you get an extra 5 gigabytes to your account, as well as I get an extra 5 gigabytes to my account. So it's very much appreciated if you guys use that link. Thank you in advance. But I think, that's an awesome feature. You can refer your friends, and every time you refer one friend, you'll get an extra 5 gigabytes. That's pretty huge, considering that Dropbox, I'm pretty sure, starts at 5 gigabytes. And only gives you an extra 500 megs when you refer someone or something like that. So that's pretty big, and there's no limitation to that whatsoever. So you can literally refer 100 friends and you'll get 500 gigabytes for free. So that's pretty awesome in my opinion. Definitely go check it out, and be sure to use my link once again. Very much appreciated. Now, the second reason I think it's pretty awesome is that when you share a folder or a file with other people, it also equally shares the file or folder size with those people. So if that's a little bit complicated to understand, let me give you guys an example. They actually have quite a good video on this as well. Usually, let's say you have a 12 gigabyte folder and you want to share that with 3 other people. Well, usually, for example, in Dropbox, those 3 other people need to have 12 gigabytes in their account free to be able to access that whole folder. Well, with Copy, they divide that 12 gigabytes by the amount of people you shared with. So let's say, again, you got 3 people you're sharing it with. Those people only need 4 gigabytes each to be able to access that folder, which is pretty cool. So it shares that equally depending on how many people you shared with. So I think that's really fair, and that's much better as well. So you're able to share it with more people, and the more people you shared with as well, the less space it will take them, or it will use from their account, which is pretty cool. And finally, the other reason I think it's pretty awesome is that it simply has all the other features that other services also have. And by that I mean you can install the app on your computer, which, by the way, is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as on your mobile phone. You can get it on your iOS device as well as on your Android device. And you can access it through the browser. So it's a lot of ways to access it, which I think is pretty cool. So yeah, let me quickly show you guys how it looks on Mac. Here's my Finder. Let me close that. And here I have the copy folder, and everything I drag in here will be uploaded to my Copy account. So let me just give you guys a quick example. Let me just throw in, let's say, a screenshot I've recently took. I drop it in here, and it will automatically upload that to my Copy account, which is pretty awesome. And again, it's completely built into your computer, into your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. So that's pretty cool. Let me just quickly show you guys how the browser version of Copy works. You have your folder here, and here's the screenshot I just uploaded from my computer. It's also available on the browser, and I'm actually able to view that in the full size of it, as well as PDFs. So that's pretty much it. I think it's pretty awesome. It has all the features that all the other services have, except it's way cheaper, and also the free version of it gives you way more space. So let me just quickly show you guys, if you want to upgrade your account, how much it costs you. For an extra 250 gigabytes, it's only $10 a month. Let me just go to Dropbox real quick and compare it with them. For that same $10 a month on Dropbox, you only get an extra 100 gigabytes. So that's not that much. That's less than half of what Copy gives you. Be sure to check it out. Once again, I'll leave the link in the description, which is my referral link, so you get an extra 5 gigabytes of storage if you use that link. So be sure to use it, as well as if you share it on Twitter. Once you registered your account, it will give you an extra 2 gigabytes. So essentially, if you have a Twitter account, you get 22 gigabytes for free. So that's another little extra they've added there as well. So I'll thank you a lot for watching. Be sure to check it out, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.